That bone-rattling roar of a traditional window air conditioner is practically the official sound of summer for many of us. You know the one. It kicks on with a violent thud. It makes the floorboards vibrate. You have to crank the volume on your television until you are basically shouting at the screen. This is the exact problem that the U-shaped design is trying to solve with a bit of clever engineering. It looks like someone took a standard air conditioner and literally sliced a channel right through the middle. This allows your window to slide down into that empty space. The result is that the loudest components, the compressor and the heavy machinery, stay outside the glass. The window itself becomes a massive sound barrier between you and the noise. It is a simple shift in physics that makes a world of difference for your ears. When you hear one of these running, it sounds more like a gentle hum than a construction site. Most of these models also use what we call inverter technology. In a standard unit, the motor is either screaming at 100% or it is completely silent. There is no middle ground. That leads to those annoying temperature swings where you are freezing one minute and stuffy the next. An inverter works like a dimmer switch for your cooling. It ramps up slowly and maintains a steady, whisper-quiet speed. This keeps the room at a perfectly consistent temperature. Plus, it is much easier on your electric bill because it avoids those power-hungry startup spikes. Another huge benefit is the light. Usually, an air conditioner blocks your entire view. With this design, you can actually see through the top of the window. You can even open the window for some fresh air on a cool night without having to uninstall the whole heavy machine. But before you get too excited, we need to talk about the reality of getting this thing into your wall. The installation is significantly more complex than a standard box unit. It is heavy. It is awkward. It requires a specialized support bracket that has to be leveled perfectly. If you are not handy with a drill or a level, you might find yourself sweating through a very frustrating afternoon. There is also the issue of maintenance. Because of the unique shape and how it handles condensation, some major brands have faced recalls over mold and drainage problems. If the water cannot escape properly, it sits inside the dark crevices of the machine. That is a recipe for bad smells and health concerns. You also have to consider the cost. These are premium machines. You are paying for the design and the silence. The smart features are a nice touch, allowing you to cool down your bedroom before you even leave the office, but they are not the main event. If you are a light sleeper or someone who works from home in a small space, the quiet operation is worth every single penny. It changes the entire atmosphere of a room. However, if you are just looking for the most affordable way to stay cold, a standard inverter unit might be the smarter path. Innovation always comes with a few growing pains, and while this design is a leap forward, it requires a bit more effort from the owner. It is not just an appliance. It is a commitment to a different kind of setup for a much better night of sleep.